In this video, I'll be using this tool here that mounts on your drill. You can sharpen your lawnmower blade, among other things, but I'm mainly getting it to sharpen my blade. My go-to method right now is the just using a regular file, and you can read through the specs or description on the right there. And I'll just show you some of the specs here, the product size. And the one on the right is the one that I used to use. They call it here the old version. The one on the left, supposedly harder material. The one on the right, insufficient hardness. The upgrade has polygon handle. The other one, round handle. Easy to slip off. And of course you have the double layer for the one on the left. And the other one has the plastic instead of the double layer stone. More specs here. And here you have some ways you can do this. You can just mount the blade and use the drill, or you can actually mount the drill and just run the blade like in the top right diagram. So we'll see how it works. So I took this mower blade off of a Troy-built mower, replaced it with a new blade. In another video I'll go through and see if I can remove some of the rust on this one here. Right now I just want to sharpen it, and this will be a backup I guess for a while if I need it. So I'm doing this just for the video. There's a double-sided sharpener here, and I'm just trying to go through the angle of the blade here. Using a Black & Decker drill here. Very easy to mount the sharpener on it. So I'm not doing the other side now. So the blade is just mounted here on my workbench. And because the hole is not circular, I'm using the edge of a regular file. And you can see it's a little bit off. So I'm going to take some off the side that was leaning. That's the heavier side. So now I have my drill mounted on my bench here. And this is a little bit out to see if I can balance it a little bit better. Now here I have it on with a tape. I don't have one of those that you can lock it. But you can see it's much better now. Fairly level. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.